Hey guys, Arjun this side from Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna discuss a topic about Blink My Flashlight. In today's world, every mobile phone has a flashlight. We use our mobile phone's flashlight to see in the dark, but do you know we can do more amazing things with flashlight of our mobile, like flashlight blink whenever we receive any call or message. In this video, we will learn how can I blink my flashlight and similarly you too. So, first we're gonna discuss what's the purpose of a blinking flashlight. The main purpose of the flashlight is to see in the dark. Let's say you and your friend are in a dark room. You are not able to find your phone, but your friend has a phone. So, if you had that flashlight option enabled, then your friend just call you and then you can find your phone. But if that flashlight option is disabled in your phone, then you just couldn't find your phone. This is the main purpose of blinking flashlight in your phone. Alright guys, now let's discuss the methods by which you can enable the blinking flashlight option in your phone. Method 1. Built-in feature. For that, you need to go to the settings option in your phone and then click on more settings. And then scroll down and you can see the option of flashlight notification. Select that and now you just have to turn on and enable that option, and after that whenever you will receive a call or a message your flashlight will flash. Method number 2. Third party app. For this you need to go to the Play Store and then search flashlight alerts 2, and then if you can see this option, just select that and then install this application. I have already installed it, so let's open it. So now on the top two options you can see the option of incoming call and status bar change. Enable incoming call option, allow this, and now whenever you will receive a call or a message your flashlight will blink. Alright guys, these were the two methods by which you can blink your flashlight whenever you receive a call or a message. Check our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and also don't forget to check our blog on the website called Gossipfunda. We post articles related to your problems which can really help you. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check the link is in the description. Thank you.